What a nice fish.
Oh
yeah. Dang, beautiful. You want to net him? Good morning, folks. We are on our way to Clearwater Lake. This is my first time I've ever been on this lake, so I'm excited. I got another invite from Phil to come down there. He's pre-fishing for, I guess he has a tournament every week, or every weekend. Seems like he's always pre-fishing for a tournament. So, living the dream, man. Sounds like he's living the dream. So Clearwater Lake, it's located near Piedmont, Missouri. And the best I could find is it's somewhere between 1,600 and 10,000 acres. Apparently it fluctuates a lot. It's impounded by the Black River. And right now, from what I can tell, the water's going to be up quite a bit. It's looking like 9, 10, 12 feet, something like that. But it's also falling. It's been falling about a foot or so a day for a while. That's a flood control area. And like I said, it really fluctuates quite a bit. We've had a little bit of rain last week and it jumped up, 15 feet or so. So I'm anxious to get out there. I'm supposed to meet Phil at 7 o'clock. He's already out on the water. I think he got out there at first light. I got kids and all kinds of priorities, so it's hard for me to drive an hour and 40 minutes and be there at 5:15. Just does not happen. If I had a tournament or something, it'd be different. But we're fun fishing today. I'm gonna jump in the back of the boat with him. I'm gonna just do a little experimentation like I always do. You always want to play around with different baits and stuff, but you usually don't have the time because you're pre-fishing for something serious, or you're trying to make a video, like a technique specific video. But the nice thing about jumping in the back of the boat is you can do a lot of experimentation. That's typically what I do. I try to throw around things that I don't normally throw around because it's more relaxed. I'm not running the boat, I'm not making the decisions, and I can just kind of tinker around and try different techniques and different rods with different baits on them and stuff. So I really enjoy that. But I am looking forward to getting out on Clearwater. I've always heard about the lake, never even seen it, never even drove by it. It's just it's curvy roads to get there. I got to take 34 out west, a lot of curves, and just never have been down here. So I'm excited to get on there. I'm gonna focus on the drive now, looking for deer and things to run across the road. So I will see you guys and girls on the water. Alright guys, looks like we made it. See if I can find Phil. Hope I'm even at the right boat ramp, but I'm not even sure. I'm gonna pull down here. Here's the lake, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful drive. Wow. Steep out here. All right, we made it. Beautiful Clearwater Lake. Man, sun is kind of peeking out behind the fog. We got a little bit of fog rolling in over here. I don't know if you can see it. Waiting on Phil to show up. It's gonna be a beautiful day. Full sun. Highs are gonna be upper 80s. Right now it's like 57 to 60 degrees. It feels really good out here. Be a little bit of a chilly boat run, especially since we got some fog on the water. Got a light breeze, and man, I'm ready to get in the water. And like I said, I'm just being patient here, waiting on Phil to get here, and we will jump in the boat and get after it. We're gonna have some fun today, guys. There he is, Mr. Phil. What's going on, man?
Hey, I thought the estimated time of arrival was for breakfast.
I made it.
Missing all the good fish.
Boat's slick. Get you a good one?
Not big, but nice Kentucky. Really nice Kentucky.
Oh yeah. Nothing wrong with that.
Nope, got 3 keepers this morning already.
Sweet. Sitting here in the boat, crossing the boat ramp. It is a beautiful morning. Phil's getting ready to put me on some fish. He's already caught a few fish this morning, so he knows what's going on. This is a beautiful lake.
You're putting pressure on me. He knows what's going on. Don't listen to him.
This guy's a local right here. Fish on! Yeah, 10-inch worm.
Same color I was going on the creek.
All right, folks, there we go. That is my first bass on Clearwater Lake. This is starting out like it did last time I was on WAP. It means you're gonna catch a 6-pounder, yeah. 6.5, something like that.
That's the plan anyway.
Nice fish. Just on a big worm, man. Flipping around these bushes. Nothing crazy. Post spawn fish. That's nice.
And I left those bushes for him.
Little ear scratch. You what?
I left those bushes right there for him.
Yeah, he did. Phil's being real kind. He didn't flip those bushes because he knew there was something in there for me. He came right off that, see that clump right out off the bank? There's a little clump underneath the water. He's sitting right on the front of that thing. Finally got a bite, folks. It's been slow. That's what you come to Clearwater Lake for. So you're telling me people have seen UFOs in this lake?
Exactly.
Okay.
I fished out here a lot of years. I've never seen a UFO.
Huh. Maybe they come out in the middle of the day or night, or
no, it's all night.
It's all nighttime stuff. Okay. Huh.
We can stick it out. We can stay till tonight.
Yeah, we need to set up, pitch a tent, see if we can catch some good footage of some UFOs. There's probably some Sasquatches around here too.
Got a fish. Woo!
Did you hear about Evinrude stopping production of their motors? They're shutting down the Lumacraft facility down in Arkansas too. Somebody was on the stream last night. They said they're moving all the production up to like Minnesota or somewhere up north. You got a good one?
Hey, oh, look at this! Come out of that bush, and the next thing I knew, I felt a pull. I said, "Dang, that ain't that big, boy." He felt big when he first came out of there.
It's big compared to what we've been catching. There you go, man. So, points.
Points.
Definitely points. He's all yours.
Here, I'm gonna go back here to the seat and get him. He wasn't that big, but it sure felt like it was.
That's a nice fish. That's a good solid fish. Good solid fish.
And the hook just falls out.
There you go.
That took him last.
Hard work pays off, man. Keep casting, keep casting. Can't cover all this wood, that's for sure. Yep. There you go, another one. I brought one more. I got some smaller ones, but
I got one.
you got worms. You got any Zoom old monsters? Plum?
I don't think so.
Ah, that's my confidence right now. There we go, number 2, guys. It's the same deal, man. Just flipping bushes. They serving Coronas? I don't think anybody's serving Corona anymore. They ship that stuff back to Mexico. It's all Dos Equis now. Ooh! Holy crap! I thought you were gonna catch a 600 then. Holy crap. Beast. Look at this, guys. It's like a repeat. This is actually bigger than the last one, I think. I don't know. What a nice fish.
Needed him the other
Oh,
day.
yeah. Dang. Beautiful. You want to net him or? I get him.
There's my lip, man.
Nice. I'm the lipper.
The lipper.
Jack the lipper.
Well, there's our limit.
There's a beauty. Nice. Nice fish. Let's get a picture of that.
Okay.
Doesn't really leave me that bush.
Yeah.
It's not fair, man. Give me his
I'll
little.
just let you catch a fish.
Give me his little dinkers.
Four, 14. 5 even.
5 even. Solid 5 pounder.
That's going to 411.
We'll call it 5.
412.
Or 12.
Okay.
It's a big one. The one you had a whop was bigger than that, though.
Yeah, I think so.
Quite a bit. Beautiful fish, though.
So this is time for the midday report. This is Phil Meyer fishing with Gabe Montgomery. And before Gabe asked me what's going on, it makes me look stupid. Hey Gabe, what do you think's going on?
I can't turn the camera around. I think I'm in the wrong boat. Folks, it is very slow out here. Managed to catch this Clearwater launch donkey. Midday report, man. It's just a typical midday. There was a bite early this morning and it's just gotten a little bit tougher. Hopefully there's a little bit of a feeding frenzy getting ready to happen. We just keep the lakes up about, how much is it up? 12 feet?
14 feet, right?
The lake's up about 14 feet. So as you can see, there's all kinds of brush in the water. There's all kinds of places for these fish to be. And they're obviously not in every little bush. So we just keep bouncing around, covering areas. We're basically out in the main lake again. And we're just fishing some bluff banks and stuff. Just getting a bite every once in a while. Just gotta keep your head down. Beautiful day though. Mid 80s. Water temps are 70, what are the water temps? 77 degree water temps. And it's got a nice stain to it. It's probably about 4 foot visibility, but it's got that nice green tint. So water clarity looks good. Just gotta keep poking around, keep your head down, and keep on casting. Yeah. Little guy. It's a little Kentucky. Little spot. It's a mean mouth. It's a mean mouth. Yeah, it's got that little rough patch on his tongue. That rough patch. Eee, that feels so good. You like that, don't you? It's like my dog. Good thing that tongue's not longer to lick me in the face.
Yeah, just stuff it like that guy over
Go,
there.
Phil's got him on.
Not a big one, but
It's kind of slow. We're just poking away at it. There you go.
getting up close.
There he is. Look at that. It's a 7 pounder.
Switch up to.
I got a beaver on there with a heavier weight peg. Just trying to get a little bit faster fall just to see if that makes a difference. And that way I can get right up in that stuff. Nice.
You see that? It was over that rim.
Was it? It's another nice fish.
don't want a 2-minute penalty. Come on, hold still.
Stupid tube, stupid fish.
Don't you guys keep tube on?
Yeah. There we go. Give him a little ear scratch. Catching these little pee-wees. Little shaky head fish. Phil's got us back here in the jungle. We ran out of water, went all the way in the back of a creek. Still got 11 feet of water. Well, 10 foot of water. Bushes everywhere. Pretty cool. There we go. Phil caught him a shaky head fish.
Hey, got one of my shaky. No, he was going spinning.
How you guys doing? Good.
That's really good.
It's kind of slow. Catching one every now and then. Yeah. Yeah, a little one. No. I moved him out of the cover though, ain't no doubt about it. Rod went all the way behind my head.
5 off of here on a jig. Caught a 5, caught a R75 15.
R75
It's
15.
tired.
Oh. Really?
I said, what you got? I said, I think it's an R75 15.
Did you used to sell tires for a living or something?
It might have been an R75 14, who knows?
There he is. Yeah, it's been slow, man. Just bite here, bite there. That's about it. Yeah, he caught a pretty good one earlier. It's been a lot of small fish, though. There he is. No. There we go. And they're on this little jig right there in that one spot for some reason. That's a little better fish. A little better fish. It's pretty tough out here, guys. I mean, it's just, we're just hunting and pecking. Hey guys, appreciate you coming along on this little Clearwater Lake adventure. Had a good time out here with my buddy Phil. Fishing was slow, but we managed to catch a few fish. He caught one really nice one. We had enough for a limit for sure. It wouldn't have been a big limit, but really cool lake, man. Glad I got to come out here and glad I got to experience this day. So subscribe to the channel if you have not. Appreciate all the support. Like and share on social media. And until next time. Man, I appreciate you taking me. Hey, had a fun time.
Another enjoying day.
So why don't you summarize the day for us? So you got a tournament Saturday.
Tournament Saturday.
Based on what you found today, you have a plan. This won't be posted for a couple weeks.
Gonna go to the creek first thing in the morning on Saturday. Hopefully there'll be some water up there still. Fish it for a little bit, don't get bit. Come back out of the main lake and hit main lake points.
There you go.
Other than that, if you don't get down here every day, it's hard to say.
Yep, that's right. And folks, that's a little tip for you. If you're new on a lake, the best thing you can do is just go hit points. Any kind of point with a wind on it, there's always fish on points, right?
Always fish on points.
That's right. Words of wisdom. Coming straight from THM and Mr. Phil. See y'all later.